bumabaliw sa akin, mga trabaho.
Chelsea!
Siyempre may... Ano ba yun? Chelsea, ano yun? Yes, yes.
May idea ka ba kung sino bumabaliw kay Jasper?
Hindi, naniniwala ako na trabaho. Kasi
Trabaho.
birthday ko.
I'm very sick. Parang ano
Baka
ba
parang pinagpapawisan naman ako agad siyempre. Kasi nagsisimula pa lang
very
tayo.
unexpected ba? Diba? Okay, so aside from that question, medyo muna tayo sa personal. About the album muna tayo mga kabanata. So if you have any questions, please comment over!
Meron po bang questions?
Yes.
Hi!
Hello.
Ay, tara, join me over here. Para maiba naman. No? Pakikuha po yung video niya. Ay! Hi! Good evening!
Hello. Hi, first of all, congratulations, Jasper. My name is Nika Sabi from ABS-CBN Push. My question is, I am very much curious sa paggawa mo ng mga kabanata since it was introduced as something that very important sa journey. Can you please share to us ano yung naging process mo, creative process mo in working in Kabanata? And
Right.
did you write the songs that are included in the album?
Thank you so much for that question. Well, first of all, the story is, so I released my first single, which was Hello Universe. You could still stream it, you guys. Hello Universe, as when that is that song I wrote because I was saying hello to the universe of possibilities. For the longest time, I don't know if you guys could relate, I've been a corporate guy as well. Kate could attest to that of Random Republica. She was my office mate before. But, I always had that aching for really my passion, that is hosting, singing, and all the creative stuff, artistry. But then I've never had the confidence to do that. And Hello Universe was actually, thank you so much, because so I was hosting a show in Mega Mall, and then I met Pia Workspax. So that was the time I was actually looking for a sign from the universe kung gagawin ko na ba ito full-time. So nung sinabi niya, palakpakan po natin siya, he's doing a fantastic job. And then after that, I got an IG message from her. DM niya ako. And a follow also. Sabi niya, hey, you did a fantastic job. So how about we send you over to Miss Universe? So sino ba naman akong simpleng tao na hindi pa malalaman or tatanggapin yung sign from the universe if it's already a glaring sign of a Miss Universe sending me over. But, so that was like the beginning of my singing songwriting career. Now, I was supposed to release my second single through Star Music. Pero, nung lumapit ako sa Star Music, sabi nila, what if i-challenge ka na? Gawin nating album. Ako, Leo tayo. Leo season happening right now. Challenge accepted. So, I had a couple of songs before that I had to brush up, medyo i-update, also make it more current. And then some new songs as well. So the creative process is, because I don't play instruments, what I do is I have a melody in mind, or probably a lyrics in mind. It depends kung sino yung mauna, alin yung mauna. And then I write it down, or I record it, depending if it's a hum lang, melody pa lang, or lyrics na kagad. And then I put it together, sometimes mabilis, like Hello Universe took me just one night working on it, maybe an hour. And then for the other songs, iba-iba yung process eh. So I put it together, I write all the lyrics, I record it, and then I send it over to a good friend who's also producing this, si Adonis Tabanda. So I give him some notes already, ito yung gusto kong tunog, ito yung mga gusto kong instruments, and then he works his magic, and then nag-agree kami na parang alam mo yun, yung very symbiotic yung relationship na parang, uy, now it's a song. And then we record it, and then that's my process. And then with ABS, nakailang balik din kami. Because of course, kapag Star Music, syempre, they want the best, only the best, di ba? So we made sure that it's gonna be palatable when we release it, that people could relate to it. And actually, my favorite part in the songwriting process, or before we released this, was the listening exercise. Because we had to listen to it as a group with the Star Music family that I have. Tapos, pili kami kung alin yung career single. Parang nababaliw kami lahat. Kasi parang may iba-iba. So parang, which is a good sign, they told me. Kasi ibig sabihin, hindi makapili. Ibig sabihin, parang you did a fantastic job. So thank you so much for the trust. But finally, they gave me the question, which was, ikaw, ano yung gusto mo? And then they said yes to Binabaliw. So yun, finally, I was able to make it my career single. So that's my part. Sorry nga ba, okay lang po ba? Marami tayong kinikwento. Pwede po tayo kumain ulit, o kaya uminom po kayo, just in case sumobra sa pagsasalita. Thank you.
My next question, last question for me is, what makes it the perfect kabanata for you to this moment na i-share mo na finally your album?
I love that question. Actually, I think this is the perfect timing already kasi nga I released my first single already, and also for everybody's information, I'm doing my passion. So this is a passion project, full-time already as a career, mga 3 years na. So, first year, so hosting, and then I released the first single. So I think kailangan every year nag-level up ka, di ba? Kailangan di maging stagnant. So I think it is but time already to release the album. And hopefully, I mean, people could also relate to the different chapters of the album. So mga songs, diba, kasi lahat naman siguro tayo. And our little battles also, that is Tunay Na Ikaw, of finding something to celebrate ourselves and embrace ourselves. So that is Tunay Na Ikaw, diba? Celebrating the real you, because there's nobody else but you in your life, diba? In your unlimited edition, ika nga, kumbaga lahat tayo. That's Tunay Na Ikaw. And of course, segueing to the next part, which is Patinid Ibig. Yun naman yung parang tongue-tied ka, kasi kanya na in love ka, pero di mo masabi. Kaya parang, uoy, yan. So parang balik na ng A-E-I-O-U. Until finally in the song, if you listen to it, you'll figure out na naging A-E-I-O-U na siya. Because finally, you had the guts to tell what you're feeling. And then, diretso ka na sa very frou-frou, which is yung deck. Tabi, kasi parang you're trying to gamble on love and life as well, diba? So, it's like a deck of cards, diba? All has a deck, and of course, you pick a card, maybe it's gonna be a royal flush of hearts, and you get to be in love. And then, sorry, kinuwento ko na, diretso na tayo dun sa Pinapaliw. Kasi nga, syempre, in your love time, parang may mga people na babaliw sa'yo, o kaya yung mga gusto natin, minsan may red flags also. But then if you're really in love, you somehow, I mean, those are overshadowed, and you embrace the person that you love fully, even if you're so crazy about it already. But that's love, diba? That's how we win in the game of love. You really put all hands on deck, diba? Kumbaga, you lay all your cards and you or wear your heart on your sleeves. And then, ang susunod na kwento dyan would be, asan na ako, Binabaliw. Tapos yung, yan, Anamat. Anamat, pag binaliktad mo, tama na. So, alamat ng pagbitaw. Diba, sometimes, you have that moment already na parang, ubus na ako, tama na. And then finally, Baghari is about finding that rainbow, diba? After a rain, dahil na give up ka na, diba? You could find that rainbow actually not necessarily with another person. It could be in yourself, that you reconstruct yourself, or in God, diba? Dahil kumbaga, ikaw ang bahaghari matapos ang ulan, diba? You dry my tears. So it really depends. So hopefully, maraming makarelate sa iba-ibang mga chapters at meron silang ma-stand na kanta. Or lahat sana. Thank you.
Thank you so much and congratulations.
Thank you very much. Now we are opening the floor for another question, Jazz.
Of course.
Okay.
Actually, dapat lahat may question.
Oh, parang lahat.
Record! Just kidding.
Grabe.
Hi, Kate.
Good evening and congratulations.
How random it is.
Happy birthday.
Random Republika.
I know, a lot of people know you as a host, no? Sikat ka sa industry, pero marami rin ngayon lang madidiscover that you can sing. When did you start singing? Pakwento ng journey mo to star music.
I like that. Oh, yeah. So, but thank you na kilala pala ako as a host. But then my journey first, siguro it's in the family also. Si mommy, mahilig kumanta choir, ganyan. And then I think siguro when she was, before I got into this world, kumakanta na siya. Baka narinig ko, ganda ng boses. Tapos, mommy, kakanta rin ako, katulad mo. And it seems like at this moment, it's fulfilling the career that my mom also wanted for herself. Kasi before, nung high school sila, si Isa Alvarez, magkaklase sila. So nagigitara siya, kumakanta. Si Isa yung tagahawak ng mic. Pero friends sila. And then, I think nung magka-college na siya, so Metropolitan Theater daw, ayan, magkakanta na sila. Isa yan. Si mommy would love to do that, but then of course, they were poverty-stricken somehow. Umaga, pinag-ayos lang, pinagkakasya lahat. So she wasn't able to get into it. So she pursued another career, which is in chemical engineering. Kahit na hindi niya masyadong gusto. Pero kasi yun lang yung may scholarship. So I think this is about fulfilling also my mom's dream. But at the same time, of course, yun nga, so naging choir ako, and along the way, I've been singing. My first song that I wrote was during our graduation in high school. So I had my valedictory speech, and then I want to elevate it also. and make history for my school to be the first valedictorian to sing a song which is a part of this speech. So I did that. It was called The Glory in a Farewell. Kasi kumbaga kahit magpapaalam tayo sa isa't isa, there's something that we learned, there were friendships made, so there's glory in the farewell, and maybe later on, di ba magkikita-kita rin naman tayo, and at least we prove something to ourselves as well. So yun, dire-diretso na, and then when I was already working, so my first corporate job was in Starcom, so I also did the song for Starcom. I don't know, Kate, if you remember that. But then, I made a song for the company. And then, I've been doing some jingles for brands already. So there was a career behind it, but I wasn't able to really put so much energy into it. Kasi nga, may day job, di ba? Alam naman natin yan. Minsan, ang daming deliverables on a daily basis. Paano mo gagawin yung passion mo? So there was a time also when I started my career in the media industry also as a media planner buyer. As in, nagka-pimples ako ng malala. So nawalan ako ng confidence. Hindi na ako nag-host nung time na yon. Then later on, I found my way. I was working in Disney for advertising with ABS-CBN, but I was an employee also. So that's the time na parang ay public na yung hosting. And then nag-pandemic nga. And then after the pandemic, parang, ang daming mga hosting gigs. So how about we do something out of it? And then later on, of course, for the singing. So that's Hello Universe for you, and then Anaman. So I think it's been there, but it's been a long time coming. But then finally, we birthed it, the album.
Nakaka-proud how far you've come. But ngayon, given the chance na you're already with Star Music, sino yung mga gusto mo makakolaborate?
Uy, madami. Actually, alam mo, pangarap din pala ito ng lola ko, the mom of my mom. So si Ina, 100% kapamilya. Parang I think yung dugo niya blue, red, green, kompleto. Pag pinindot mo yata siya, So yun, so parang pag dilipat ng ibang channel, magagalit yun. Nanginginig ba yung So, anong tawag dito? So I think this is also fulfilling your dream as well. Kasi hindi niya na ako, baka mapanood niya naman ako ngayon, di ba, sa TV, sa ABS. Hello, kamusta ka dyan? Sorry, ano yung question?
Are there specific artists you wish to collab?
Collab! I love Casey Tandingan. And then, I don't know if I can do something because in the album also you heard some ballads. So, medyo nung lumalaki ako, Martin Rivera, tsaka Gary V tayo kasi sumasayaw-sayaw din tayo. So, yun yung mga idol natin. Also, of course, ang dami. Ang galing kasi ng mga kapamilya artists natin. No? Ayun, maybe yun na lang muna, para special. Para nananawagan po kami kay KZ, kay Sir Martin, Sir... Let's go, Sir Gary, let's go.
Congratulations, Jasmine.
Thank you, thanks Kate.
Thank you very much. Questions? Yes.
Questions.
We have another one here from
Hi,
our
Patrick.
friends. Si Pat.
I'm Patrick.
Oh, Patrick, where are you from?
I'm from Business Mayor.
Hi, listen, thank you.
Diyan lang wala.
Thank you for making it your business to be here.
Yes, but so congratulations and happy birthday. I guess.
Thank you, thank you.
So looking back to your life's chapters, among the songs, which one do you connect to the most, or which one you want to re-experience?
Re-experience. I like that. So which one do I connect to the most first? Maybe right now, binabaliw. Kasi talagang crazy in love tayo. In life and everything that is happening also, di ba? Kasi parang dati, kasi syempre, yun nga, parang we were not rich also. So parang before, the thought of being an artist, parang hindi siya naging totoo or parang hindi siya pinursue for me kasi parang, ay, gagraduate in next batch, anak, magtrabaho ka na. Sayang yung tinapos mo. Alam mo yan, di ba, sa mga probinsya natin, yung mga ganyang thinking. So, kumbaga, yun, sinantabi ko muna yung pag-awit, yung pag-perform, kasi yun yung belief before. The system told us that maybe you're gonna be a starving artist and won't really pursue what you love doing. But then finally, di ba, parang this one, di ba, parang I have the guts already to do it. So I think going to what is striking me this time, a strand to my heart closest is Tunay na Ikaw. Because now I'm living my truth, and that is to become an artist also, to share my music, to share my love to the world, and hopefully allow this career also to flourish, and to somehow my music, my artistry also to connect to a lot of people, and maybe somehow make an impact, one song at a time. Thank you, Patrick.
Last na lang is, in your opinion, who needs to hear your album the most?
Who
Who needs to hear your album
needs
the
to
most?
hear my album the most? Who? Sabi ko sana, the Senate. No. My album the most. I think, because the album is about different chapters, and there are different levels and ways that you could connect to it. I would love for that person, whoever it is, to hear what he or she needs to hear at that particular moment, and somehow for my song to bear or be a beacon of light to carry him or her through that particular chapter of his or her life that she or he is in. Thank you. And I thank you.
That was very beautiful. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
More
Thank you for the
questions?
questions.
Yes.
Hi. I know this guy. Hi. Thank you so much for coming.
Hi, Jasper. Alam mo, kulit ako. Kasi di ko alam na kumakanta ka pala. Sa tuwing magkita tayo natin na pagkukwento nyo.
Surprise.
Yes, I'm surprised. But I'm just curious, no? Do you have any inspirations sa pag-compose mo ng mga kanta? Especially dito sa Nababaliw.
Oo, binabaliw.
Binabaliw.
Of course, sir. Mga Kabanata is also sort of kind of a mirror of the chapters of my own life. But then siguro, syempre, when we in artistry naman, diba, there are parts that are true to you, there are parts that are true to others, and then we just mold them into songs together. So, in the hopes that as you express yourself, you're gonna be engraving a certain emotion also to the people around. For Binabaliw, syempre, na-in-love tayo, nababaliw, binabaliw in different aspects in our life. Syempre, so meron tayong mga hugot here and there also for the song. So, yun. So, madami. I mean, syempre, all of my songs, given that I wrote all of them, daming pinagumutan from my past relationships, my current, my previous, my relationships in the future, even how I'd love to perceive my relationships or the things that are going to be happening in my life in the future. They're all part of the story of mga Kabanata.
So, gaano ka nabaliw pagdating sa pag-ibig?
Ano yan?
Gaano ka nabaliw pagdating sa
Nako! Kasi pag mga Leo, I don't know if you know this, if you believe mga signs, ang mga, thank you so much, sir. Yan. Parang napagod na po. Napagod po ba kayo sa yung mga Leos talaga, kaya yung favorite kong song for the longest time was All of Me by John Legend. Kasi all in talaga tayo. Binibigay natin lahat. Kapag binigay mo lahat, mapapaliw ka talaga. Kasi di ba parang you're not haphazard in giving yourself. Di ba? Parang you're putting everything in. So, all the nuances that will drive you crazy will come up, prop up also in the relationship. Pero ako naman yung Leo na medyo balanced na. Kumbaga, I know how to deal with the craziness. That's why I wrote a song about it, di ba? Because I think that is also the way that you try to heal, improve yourself, di ba? So it's so my writing also is like a therapeutic kind of thing for me.
So, how do you recover from that?
Recover. So ako, syempre, tanong mo, I love it. Actually, I think nakaka-recover ako from all the heartbreaks by praying, as mentioned a while back, so Baghari is also about that. It's a prayer also of gratitude to a person, to many people. And then yung mga at the moment when you're eating up, breathing, talaga exercises also, I do that. And then I always come every morning from the space of gratitude, nagpapasalamat na ako. So more than looking into the things that could destroy your day, I look at the things, even the little ones that allow me to really rejoice about the life that I have, all the blessings that I have, diba? Mas maganda yung pag breathe in the good, breathe out the bad, and you're gonna be a better person. So I think that, and it's about really knowing yourself and completely embracing who you are, because we are not perfect. I am not perfect. I'm just trying my best to live by and to make the most out of the blessings that I have, the talents and whatnot, the people around me that I'm surrounded with. Thank you.
Thank you very much. O, diba? The questions are getting more and more personal because again,
Hot
this
seat
is-
nga pala to,
Well,
tinatawag
this
na.
is- Yes, kasi this is also your birthday celebration. So, yes, we want to get to know more about Jasper. We have another question here,
Hi,
Jas.
Jasper. I'm Zeddy, from WhatsApp PH. You know what, every time na meron akong mamimit na mga artists, I always ask one thing, na parang, who are your influence sa music mo? Kasi gusto namin malaman talaga yung mga ganun ba.
Okay, my current sound, I suppose. Let's go back to time. So before, ang ina-idol talaga sa bahay si Martin Rivera. Kasi si Mommy, meron siya mga cassette tape. Say goodbye, mother. Gigising ka sa umaga. Sabi ko, ang ganda naman. Because he's really a storyteller. You'll feel what he is singing. So yun. And then, discover ko din nung bata ko, Gary V. Sumasayaw, parang, huwag kang tako. So, napapasaya din ako. Later on, I think ang major influences ko these days, I mean, syempre when I already have the capacity to perform and sing, would be, I think gusto ko kasi yung tunog ni John Legend. Ayan. And then, of course, Sam Smith. But then, actually marami, but those are top of mind. Kasi, yun nga, parang, I don't know if you notice in the sampler, medyo iba-iba yung atake sa mga songs also, di ba? May ballad, may parang pa-reggae, ang dating. So, I think, I am happy that I get to really pick influences here and there and try to make it my own. That's the goal for me. Every time that I sing also, a cover, kasi syempre when I host events, I also sing, and then they ask me to sing different songs, and usually mga cover yan. I try to really study the song and then put my soul into it so that it's gonna be sounding like Jasper and like nobody else has sung it that way.
Alright, so my next question is, how is it working with Star Music? Are they giving you a creative freedom to do your music or writing your songs?
Actually, super sarap nilang katrabaho because sa Star Music, when I was writing, so first of all, it was supposedly just a single. But then they opened the idea of making it an album. So parang, first of all, parang thank you kasi challenge nyo. And then second, yung mga balikan namin, very fluid naman. And I love it also. As I mentioned a while back, yung pinaka-paborito ko yung listening, call namin. Because we were really able to, flesh out kung okay na ba talaga yung album. Because I was also doubting myself. I mean, I think that is how we are as humans, di ba? Parang until it's proven, guilty, it's proven, later on, idadoubt mo pa rin yung sarili mo kung, am I good enough? Is this good enough to be listened to by the whole world? So, but then, working with them was a breeze, and it is so empowering because they're very collaborative as well. Actually, sobrang excited na ako na after the launch, mapag-usapan na namin the guestings and everything else, how we could somehow parang allow the songs also to be featured in some of, because it's the ABS-CBN universe. I'm just so excited about the possibilities of saying hello to all the universe of possibilities being a Kapamilya. So, thank you so much for being there, my Star Music fan.
Thank you so much, Jasper, and happy birthday. Advance ba or tapos na?
Mamaya-maya, midnight. So, 25, July
happy
25. Yeah, thank you for coming.
Happy birthday.
Ito lang po kayo, kain tayo, inom pa tayo. Tapos mamaya may condition, I will give away some condition sticks. Ano yung anti-hangover yun. So kung mag-iinom tayo Friday naman, walang hangover bukas.
Thank you,
Mas
Jasper.
Jamie, parang ready ka na uminom ah. Merong ganun. Oo, sponsor natin. Ayan, mamaya. Kahit yun lang inumin mo, okay na ako.
Parang everybody is curious about it, no, Jazz? Kaya wala silang takas.
Tsaka yung rocket, mamaya hintayin nyo.
Oo.
Medyo may kamahalan din yun ah. But
Yes. Later we will reveal kung ano nga ba yung worth no? Yung how much it's worth. So we are opening another one, yes?
Thanks,
Hi,
Matt.
Jasper.
Hi! Kamusta naman,
Congratulations and
Irish?
happy birthday.
Thank you, thank you.
So, ito naman pang Miss Universe question. Yes. My question is, with music being consumed so quickly nowadays, how do you encourage listeners to experience the whole album itself?
Thank you for that question. I think how you're going to be experiencing, or the way, I think there are different ways that you can listen to it, is to just start with one at the very least. Diba? Follow me first. And then start with one. And then hopefully it will be like, sort of kind of like a click thing of you consuming the rest of the artistry or the music under the album, mga kabanata. So, I think ganun. Parang when you look at the playlist, the track list, which when we were trying to reveal everything little by little. So inuna namin, ito, may story, mga bagong kwento, and then we already gave the track list. There's a good question that was posted by ABS-CBN by Star Music that parang ano ang parang kwento na nabuhay mo. Parang from that list, pick one which resonates with you. Diba? So I think do that. Go to the album, wherever it is, on any streaming platform of your choice. And then pick one which somehow talks to you or somehow piques your interest, diba? And then hopefully that will catapult you into listening through and through to all the songs always. Sana maging part na ng playlist mo talaga.
Thank you, Jasper.
Thank you for that question. I was challenged from you.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Ganda siya yung gano'n. Do you have questions from friends? Friends also.
Hello?
Ay, meron. Hello, I love the outfit. Ay, hi, what's your name?
Jasper, Carlos.
Carlo, hi.
Wala ko, Jasper.
Hi, Jasper. Nice meeting you. I didn't know may katubayo pala ako.
Today ng birthday ko, joke.
Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Ano, tawag dito, Jasper? Tumatawa yung host mo.
Ganun talaga.
Sorry,
Kasi
di ako
nasa,
makagano.
kasi nasa first row siya.
Oo,
Sorry.
nagulat ako.
I've been watching a lot of Senate flexes. So, nasa first row siya, natawa siya.
So bakit daw na sabi mo yung Senate kanina? Yung meron bang, meron bang katulad yun? Ay, may inspiration ba yung music mo?
Baka makancel ako dito.
Bumabalik talaga yung question doon, no?
No, I've just been watching a lot of it. I'm finding it very entertaining. It's also enlightening also, and somehow it gives me that certain sense of patriotism na we have to do something about this country. Come on, let's do it. Maybe the next song I'll be working on is something to elevate our love for country. And I don't know, but then I mean, this one is pervasive, and all of us somehow nararamdaman ng kung ano man ang nangyayari sa bansa natin. So, and kaya ko lang na-mention kasi parang every time I love driving. I know it's traffic in the Philippines. But I have like a huge screen dun sa kotse. Yun ang pinapanood ko. So, pasensya ka na. Wala pong political walang biases. Neutral po tayo. Senator Judge pala. Sorry. Yung mga humor ko ngayon there. I'm sorry, Carl. Happy birthday.
Uy, joke lang yun. Ano daw connection ng jeep? Ano ba yung parapol ba yan? Or
Alam nyo ba?
kasama yan sa song mo?
No, actually, this event is actually with Siren Studios and Afro One. So it's called the Kalye Network. So this is one of the legs. Before, when they rolled out the project, I think meron silang AI. So parang kaya Kalye Network kasi parang ka nakipag-network sa mga tao. So before, about AI, so mga nag-invite sila ng people interested in AI and all that. So this one is about music. And it just so happened na I'm friends with our friends from Siren Studios and Afro One. So how about, dito mo kaya i-launch yung album mo, di ba? Let's make Kalye Network Mga Kabanata, the launch. So yun, may jeep. Kasi susunod yan, actually inside pwede tayong makipag-network also, ganyan, may kaibigan ka ba, baka dalawa. And then we're gonna be moving also the jeepneys in different places. Na parang pala concert vibes also, may podcast inside, tapos may may fiesta, dadali natin yan, parang gano'n. So, this is sort of kind of like a test project also, of where we could take the ideas in Kalye Network and where we could literally take it next, maybe to another venue, a barangay, or wherever. So, yun, music is also a big part of Kalye Network.
For my last question, what's your birthday wish?
My birthday wish is for you guys and everybody else in the world, mga kapamilya. Sana po ay pakinggan nyo na, i-follow nyo na ako sa mga streaming platforms, and please add mga kabanata. And of course, hopefully, ang mga dream ko also, syempre magamit talaga yung mga songs ko sa mga kapamilya teleserye, mga ganyan. At kung ano-ano ba, di ba, maximize talaga nila. And yun yung mga pinagdadasal ko. And hopefully, syempre good health also, better career also, and for everybody also to be healthy kasi flu season ngayon. Thanks, Carlo. Happy birthday. Joke.
Thank you!
Ayun over there! Hello!
May question ng best dress natin.
Dapat pala may best dress awardee tayo.
Oo, dapat pala nilagay natin yun.
Ay, naalin naman ang boses! Hello!
I'm Cyrex. I'm a fashion designer.
Oh yeah, that's right! Hello!
Finally, nag-meet na tayo.
Thank you so much for coming.
Yeah, looking forward to work with you.
Yes, style me soon.
Yeah.
Beautiful designs.
Yan yung pag-usapan natin later.
Yes, okay. Mamaya. Kali network ka, di ba? So business tayo mamaya.
Okay, yung album mo, parang ano siya kasi, pacing of your life story.
Yes.
So, ano dun yung pinaka-paborito mong part or song sa life story mo na nagbigay ng impact sa yun, sa album mo na lahat makarelate?
Maybe, well, apart from Binabaliw, which is the Care single, maybe I would love to think for people to really get inspired also in their lives and look at sabi nga ni Katrina, the silver lining, but the rainbow in everything also in life would be yung baghari na sana in all of our heartaches, di ba? Later on, kung ano man yung pinagdadaanan natin, health, it doesn't matter kung ano man, school or something, that we find the rainbow in people that we love, in God, in ourselves also. We find something to celebrate in us and to continue on, dream big, and just push through with a lot more enthusiasm and positivity in life. Ang hirap pala kapag ikaw yung hindi nag-host. No? Kapag ikaw yung tinatanong.
There we go. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. I'll talk to you later, Zags. Thank you for coming.
I think we have more questions.
Please.
Hello, everybody.
Hello.
Universe. Grabe, oh,
Yes,
parang nag-melody. Pero so may
harmonize.
universe.
Parang
Ano
next
ba
na
nun?
po album na po ni
Oo.
Princess.
I think mamaya mapapakinggan natin na yung music mo.
Yes.
Diba?
I'll share also the video. Hello Universe, para at least you have an idea of what I was talking about a while back. Okay, our next question will be coming from, nag-host na po siya.
Ay, oo, dagha. Meron tayo dito.
Si Mary,
Yes.
are you gonna be asking a question?
Actually-
Well, first of all, beautiful curls that you're sporting this evening. Thank you for coming prepared.
Happy birthday, Jasper. Congratulations. Actually, they already asked my question. I was just gonna ask what your birthday wish was. But if you're gonna dedicate a song for the creator community, what would it be from
I love
mga
that.
kabanata?
That would be, fantastic question, thank you. Tunay na ikaw. Because in content creation also, I think the problem is sometimes we compare ourselves too much with other people in the content creation world, diba? We have a lot of content creators over here. And sometimes we always, or sometimes we judge ourselves so quickly, so swiftly, and so harshly because we feel na we are not enough, diba? But then, we have to go back na to the reason, bakit ka ba ako pinafollow ng ibang tao? Maybe I'm doing something right, diba? So I think Tunay na Ikaw is perfect because it's about really finding yourself and really celebrating the things that you have and that you are, diba? You are not perfect, there are flaws, but sometimes what people even love about us or about you as a creator would be the fact that you are flawed, na may mali sa'yo, na may something funny about you, na may something na nakaka-relate sila dahil lahat naman tayo may kapintasan. So, just celebrate who you are because the flaw that you might have or that you have right now could be something that people find light in. So just let the light out and let the people just be filled in by the light that you have. So, just be yourself. Tunay na ikaw. Thank you, Mary. All
Thank
right.
you very much. Maraming salamat. Okay?
Maybe, baka naboborn. Hello, madam!
Hello.
Bago kayo uminom. Ha? Isigaw.
Hi, my name is Jamie from Soundcheck Manila. It's a music blog. So, my question is, I saw that you also work in the media then before.
Yeah.
So, did that help you also with your current career? And any advice? Because what you did was very brave. And I'm sure a lot of people want to do it from a safe quote unquote, corporate job to pursuing your dreams. So, advice for people who want to do that. And would you say there's advantages and disadvantages Thank you.
Thank you. Actually, I love the question because it's something that really I experienced. And I also had my fears before, my bombs into jumping into the artistry full time. So my advice would be for those who would love to embrace what they are really passionate about is to first of all find in yourself if it's really something that you want to do. Baka naman passion project lang siya or something. Because I think you won't really be able to flourish if you're not fully committed, first of all, fully confident in yourself. I mean, of course, maraming trabaho mangyayari if you really want to make it happen, di ba? But then it starts with you really committing that, hey, you can do this, kaya mo to, gawin natin to. So, begin with that bravery and that declaration. Maybe it won't sink into you right then and there. It might take time. It took me a couple of years before I finally said yes to me doing this full time. But I think really also listen to the signs that the universe will be sending you. Kung ito na ba yung oras? I had my own, I felt that at a certain moment na, ito na nga yun, sige gawin na natin to, di ba? Now, I would love for you also to look for that inner voice na magsasabi sa'yo na, I think ready ka na. Sabi nga nila, it's, when we say lucky, it's really about not just being fortunate, that is getting the opportunity, but luck is about you also getting that opportunity and being ready. So ibig sabihin, you should have done the work also. If you want to be a singer, nag-prepare ka talaga, kumanta ka, nagpondo ka ng mga kanta, maybe you've improved on the artistry. And I think the time will come for you to be able to say yes to it because you have that confidence that you could actually embrace the opportunity already. And then when you shout out already to the universe na eto na ready na ako, I tell you, you will magnetize. You will attract all the opportunities. Just like when it happened to me, I was so surprised also. I was so surreal na, totoo na to, na dumarating na, ang dami na nangyayari. And things are getting easier. They could have been with you, you've done it earlier before, but probably it wasn't your time, so it could have been harder. But then when you're really prepared, you're ready for the opportunity, when you're lucky already for that moment, then you'll feel it and you'll embrace it. It will be easy for you to do it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And also, since may ka sa Zodiac, ako din.
Ay!
Pisces.
Pisces, okay.
Would you, were you all supposed to guess? No.
Actually, no. Actually, di ako ganun kahilig sa Zodiac. Alam ka lang, Leo ako.
Okay.
No. But
Or
I love to.
Pisces.
I have downloaded through my friends from content creator community yung Co-Star. Alam mo ba yun?
Ano
Download
ba
it.
rising sign? Ano co-star?
Co-Star, malalaman mo yung rising, yung moon mo. Sila yung tanongin mo, magaling sila dyan. I'm just getting into it because, parang I'm realizing parang ang daming, totoo nga. Pero sabi nga ni Zenaida Seba, I don't know.
Right lang naman siya. Zodiac.
Oo.
Very
Oo, di ba parang...
Kapanahunan.
Kapanahunan. Di ba parang guide lang naman.
Guide
So,
lang
it's
naman. Pero rising ko din daw yata Leo. Anyway, thank you.
Amazing. That's why I feel
Pisces Leo. Thank you.
rar. Thank you.
Pupunta na tayo sa Zodiac.
Hey, thank you so much.
So, let's open for another set of questions. How about over at this side?
Oo, baka naman bubore na sa mga last two. Yeah,
Okay,
two.
last two questions.
Para makamove on na tayo. Okay, last
Parang
two.
may-
Maybe from my star music
May hugot
family.
ka pa doon para makamove on na tayo.
Na tayo. And then sa gabi ito, kasi malamang sabik na tayo makipag-Cali Network.
Yes.
Kumain more, Ayun, hello Sir Chris. Hi. Para kami yung awitin ko parang patinig ibig kasi baliktad ka rin. Chris. Hi sir.
Hello. Chris from One Music Page.
Hi, thank you for coming Sir Chris.
So, so, di ba yung as an artist, one of yung mga pinakamalaking kalaban niyo sa mga artist, boredom. So, how do you battle boredom?
How do I battle?
Boredom.
Boredom? Oh, actually parang hindi ako masyadong nabobore. Because I've been doing a lot of things, sort of kind of like a multi-hyphenate, which I enjoy. hosting, singing, songwriting, content creation. Actually, meron pa ako mga trabaho for content creation, hindi ko nagagawa kasi nga na-busy ako sa album. So there are a lot of things to be busy with. But then for the times na medyo siguro hindi ako busy, I love spending it just by myself also. I think kasi kung trabaho mo na yung makipag-usap sa lahat ng tao, gusto mo namang manahimik pag minsan. So before, for example, after a hosting gig, alam yan nila Dexter, some of my friends, I will go to their gigs and just sit down and listen. I mean, papajamin ka nila, isa, 1 song, 2 songs. Pero I really enjoy the moment na nakikinig lang ako. And I think even sa mga kwento ng mga tao, gusto ko lang yung, for example, hindi ko na gusto ngayon yung stooge, party. I like to sit down, maybe over wine, a canapes, tapos listen to the stories of the people. And I think that's a good exercise also for me to bring more depth into my storytelling. Kasi nakikinig ka sa mga storya ng mga tao. And you can maybe put a song out because of those stories that they have. So yun. And I love also working out. I think that gives me a good balance. And kailangan din sa career. Kailangan katulad kasing sexy ni Princess. Wala pang workout yan. Ayun, para mabalanse. And then I love watching movies, some series also, etc. Currently, sa Netflix din tayo. Ayun, mga pinagkakabalaan. So I think yun ang aking combating boredom kind of thing.
Tapos, yung songs sa album mo, they're reminiscent ng mga old OPM songs like Nasa Langit ang Ale and Tatlong Bendisino in the way na mayroon kang sense of storytelling. So by any chance, so saan mo nakuha yung yung parang fascination mo for trying to tell stories with your music?
Okay. I think as a host, I think we're natural storytellers and content creation as well. So there are a lot of stories around us, and I think yung fascination sa music is combined with it as well as I went along. Actually, I don't know, you might find it weird, but then yung mga friends ko sa office, for example, before, bigla nilang maririnig kumakanta ako, o kaya may sinabi kami salita, kakantahin ko, I'll make a song out of it. So sabi ko nga sa kanila, my life is a musical, pasensya na, you're a part of it. So, kinakanta ko. So I think yung fascination is just, I don't know, parang I feel so at home with music. It's my safe place also. So putting stories into songs is something that has been second nature to me ever since, I think, yung mga classmates ko pala. So even for example, nung elementary, syempre may mga presentation, di ba? Sa kunyari, science class. Nagawa ko ng biology will love it. Yung mga kanda to make our report different. So I think yun medyo, ever since pa lang, parang medyo akin na ako, or that's my second nature, like to sing stuff.
Thank you.
Thank you, Sir Chris.
Thank you very much. Oh, speaking of music, balita ko mamaya may karaoke night tayo.
Ayoko! Mas meron kang mga papremyo.
Oo.
Also from Rokid, ang cute ng mga papremyo. Sa mga magiging matahas na umawit, kaya mo, hawakan ng beat.
Hawak ang beat. Diba? So again, we will be having our karaoke later on. So this next screen right here will be turned into a karaoke scene. So please do stay later on. Now to cap off our Q&A, ako na ang magtatanong sa iyo, Jazz. Ayan.
Inom mo na ako.
Sige. Kailangan mo rin ng
Nakabahan ako sa tanong mo eh.
Hindi naman. Hindi na to personal, promise. Now, we all know that your time is now. This is your moment. Ito yung kabanata mo ngayon and you are doing so great, Jasper. Congratulations. Now, we can't help but think to ourselves, what's next for Jasper Jackson? Ano ang susunod mong kabanata?
Ay! Ito naman. Ang galing po talaga, one of the best female hosts in the Philippines.
Salamat.
Palakpakan naman natin siya, hindi tayo nagkamali.
Thank you po.
Sabi ko kanina nung nagka-tech ng konti, kaya ni Princess yan.
Oo naman.
I'm blaming you.
Parang iniwasan mo yung tanong.
Ay, hindi.
Go,
Ang next
Jasper.
kabanata, of course, I'll continue on with doing my hosting. Siyempre, I love that. That's my passion. I'm so at home on stage. And then, of course, my singing. So more songs, hopefully more collaborations also with Star Music. Open din po ako for mature roles. Pwede rin po ako mag-acting. Hindi, seryoso. Pero seryoso yun, Princess.
Uy, grabe, hindi ako ready na makita ka na on a
Kasi
different light.
si Vix nagulat, di ba? Na kumakanta rin pala ako. Hindi niyo pa ako nakitang sumayaw, maybe. Acting. Okay ba sa'yo, Vix? Nakakanta na ako soon. Acting na ako. Acting naman, no? Pwede
Actually,
naman
kanina
yan.
pinag-uusapan natin yan, no? Kasi ang galing-galing mo, facial expression, the way you deliver your lines, of course, di ba? Magna cum laude from UP pa naman
Thank
to
you.
host natin na to, di ba? Pero, you know, acting is another possibility. So, yes, pwede.
Basta everything is possible. Sabi ko nga, dun sa, nakalagay sa Instagram ko yan, it's never too late to follow your dreams. So, no matter what your age is right now, o kung nasaan ka man, just believe in yourself. And again, sabi ko nga, work hard also. If that is a craft that you want to develop and make that a career, make sure that you do the hard work also. Diba? Para marating mo yan. And then, kailangan gutsy ka talaga. Diba? Bet on yourself. Kumbaga. So, nilalaban natin. Mukha naman. So, acting. Pwede rin ako acting, ha? As in, pinapahan. Ayun. So, yun, lahat po gagawin natin. Sabi ko kay Princess also, di ba, yung, nakahanda na ba yung apoy?
Oo. Yung ako lang, meron ka nga, pa-surprise namin.
Bubuga na tayo ng...
Nakabahan ako. Pwede pala yung dito. Pwede pala
Pwede
bubuga
naman.
na ako.
Pero yun, so I think those are next. Siyempre more songs. Because yun nga, somehow I had the guts already to birth the songs, the album. Of course, I'm open to more songs to be written, more stories as a vessel, diba? To just continue on churning more stories that hopefully could impact people's lives, touch more lives, and really just continue on with the artistry.
Thank you very much. Round of applause once again for the one and only Jasper Johnson.
Thank you so much,
Everybody.
Prince.
And I think Jasper, there is only one thing left to do, but to capture this wonderful moment in one frame. So why don't we have a groovy?
Picture naman tayo. Okay lang po ba?